Hello there, the internet. This is a quick unboxing and review of these Nank Diver2 bone conducting headphones for sports. They are, as they say, bone conducting, and they are waterproof. You're meant to be able to go swimming in them. So this is what they look like, which is fairly standard for sort of Bluetoothy headphones. But you'll notice there's no speaker. This bit goes straight against the flat of your skull and vibrates your head basically to cause the sound. We've got a couple of little buttons there, and then this, which is the charging and data port. So it's this pogo pin array, so there's no holes in there, so this stays nice and waterproof. It's covered in this silicone stuff, feels okay. Let's take a look at what else you get in the box. So it's all fairly standard. So there's this USB cable, which ends in this weird pogo pin arrangement. Now, I'm going to be honest, not a huge fan of this. I get why they've done it. If you want to make this waterproof, you don't want a great big USB-C hole in, but it's a non-standard cable. Now, interestingly, it sort of connects by magnets there. Magnets, how do they work? And you can't connect it the wrong way. The magnets will repel. Can't really I can feel the magnets repelling. You can see that they're not laying flat, so you do that, plug that end into your computer, and you can transfer files and charge it up. You also get in here a little instruction manual, which is sort of exactly what you expect. How to keep it waterproof, what all the buttons do. They're slightly weird, some of these buttons. So, push one button for next song. If you hold it down, push one button, volume goes up. Hold it down, moves to the next track, that kind of thing. And then it's also got an MP3 player built in, so you don't have to use these just as Bluetooth headphones. Bit of MP3. Obviously, the controls you've got are forward and back and random play, sequential play. So you're not going to be picking the exact songs you want. And now this is, I don't know what that is. They also give you some earplugs as well, because you'll notice, again, these don't go into your ears. These leave, when you put these on your head, they leave your ears open, which means you can hear what's going around. But in here, they've also given, let's see if I can pluck them out, these ear things. So you stick those into your ear, and it will block out all sound, which is nice. Now, what I don't know is whether you're going to be able to hear anything. So if I hold down the button, let's see what goes on here. So you might be. If I sort
The
of
Bluetooth is connected.
So that's me holding them onto the camera. I don't know if any of that sound is going to go through. But yeah, so it's very hard to review some.
Is connected.
I think it was saying Bluetooth was connected there, so I've previously paired this to my phone. Let's see what happens if I try and play some music, whether you will actually hear anything or not. So let's have a little bit of Moon Safari. So you might be able to hear. So there's a bit of sound leakage because there's no, they're not plugged into your ears. But I can feel these vibrating in my hands so strongly. I'm gonna put this onto the camera. Let's see what this does. Might be very weird. So these are vibrating. You stick that against your head, and yeah, these are really loud, as you can possibly tell. And when they're on your head, they feel amazing, and they sound nice and loud as well. Let's just turn the volume down, possibly even up. The microphone, it's a tiny little sort of condenser mic thing. See if I can focus in on that. Sound quality is fine. They do Bluetooth. There's no aptX or anything like that, but you do get high quality sound, stereo sound out of them. They will play FLAC, MP3, AAC. You don't get OGG or Opus or anything like that, but again, there's 32 gig of storage in there. Rest flat on your head. They feel incredible. I'm not gonna show you a video of me in the shower or swimming with them, but yeah. There you go. There's I think 15% discount code if you use my name on the shop. I'll stick that in the links as well. There you go.